Oh, maybe he doesn't want him in here.
I've got him. I've got him.
Maybe they're coming back out of this path.
Yeah. I'm doing video. Yeah, that's probably it.
Whoa, 40 acres, turn that horse around! Hey, get back out of there!
The modern way. 2 horses and a motorcycle.
That apple must be Greenbroke.
Yeah?
It takes him about 40 acres to turn him around. Now is when we need to move.
Okay. The only way that the cattle operation pays is if we charge $5 a minute for video, $35 a picture. I better get a steak out of this.
We'll have to collect our money whenever you're done.
In the Wind River Valley, about 40 miles east of Du Bois, Wyoming.